Hello, people. This is Tommy. This is Jennifer. This is my wife, and we're the DeBoskis. Oh, you want to say it? Go ahead.
Yeah, the Boskies. I messed up the last time.
Yeah, you damn sure.
Redeem myself.
Yeah. We want to talk today about snoring. If you ever been with a woman that snores,
Well, you gotta put it on the woman. Every woman don't snore.
well, you snore,
I do.
and it's hard for me to get sleep, and she's mad at me
I'm not mad.
when I don't sleep in the bed, and she the only one in the house
I
getting
come
sleep.
get you,
Yeah, but still hard for me to go to sleep though when you come and get me.
but I don't know I'm waking you up.
You know what? She has a thing from the doctor,
CPAP.
a CPAP, and she won't even wear the thing. I come in the room, about to go to sleep. I be like, oh, hell no. I finna go back in the other room so that I can get some sleep. It's like I'm sleeping with a bear.
What that sound like?
She's like, and I be like,
That's my thyroid problem, baby. Don't be teasing me about that.
but I can't get no sleep. But it's rough on me. She the only one in the bedroom getting sleep unless I go sleep in the other room. Am I right or am I wrong?
He wrong. You need to remind me to put the CPAP on and just be in the room. We newlyweds. You need to be in the bed with me.
I can't be in the bed if I can't get no sleep.
Well, that's why I come
Have you
get
guys
you.
ever slept with somebody that snore? That is hard as hell trying to get some sleep. Am I right? You don't hear yourself.
No, I don't hear myself.
But I do.
That's terrible.
But I'm wrong because I go in the other room. I don't understand. So am I right or am I wrong? Leave your comments below.
He wrong. He need to be in the bed with his wife.
Only time I be in the bed with her when I finna get some nook.
Boy, my mama might watch this.
But anyway, let us know what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.